everyone, I'm Julia here. Today I'm going to teach you about how to do eye makeup that I usually do. I have got lots of requests on what colors do I use and everything. So I particularly love orange. So right now the season is spring summer kind of collection. So I like coral colors on my eyes. For those who don't know me, sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Julia. I'm actually a style coach. I have been doing this business for about 8 years and I own a makeup school. And if you're interested to learn how to do makeup for yourself, I also teach that on individual basis. I also teach customers on how to style their own clothing and wardrobe analysis. I have many women. Today I counted, right? I think I help about 10,000 women already for this past 8 years. And also I've been to 80 corporations to teach on grooming and also on makeup. So if you are interested to attend my classes, I could tell you more. You could PM me for more information. Basically, as a professional makeup certification, we also do that. So we also teach on how to be a makeup artist or makeup trainer or even image trainer like me. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I normally do my eye makeup. So many requests that I receive on how to do makeup, and I like to use this brush here. You can see it's already very tinted with my favorite color. So I like to use basically before that, right, I actually use my eye primer here to put on my eye makeup, make it long lasting here. And I draw my brows first because my brows, I have a bit of difficulties because I have one brows upper and one brows like lower than the other, so I try to balance it up, and because of my stressful nerves here, I think it tends to jump up, so I tend to draw this slightly higher but also slightly higher here. So if you want to know how to, if you have problems like this, right, same as me, you can come and learn from me how to draw your brows. And everyone is like asking me like how old am I, so I just want to tell you that I am 41. So I'm going to come up with lots of makeup channels and videos. Maybe you could tell me also what you want to learn. It could be more than just makeup, maybe like live, how to do you have trouble with your hair as well, because I suffer hair loss in the past also, and where do I go to do my hair treatments, I could introduce to you later. And then also I have my own health problems as well, so I go through a lot of therapy myself and everything. But so if you're interested to know more about how to take care of yourself when you reach 40s or even when you reach 30s and upcoming 50s, which I am actually 10 years from now I'll be reaching 50. I mean, not 10 years from now, it's about 8 years from now. Yeah, so if you have any questions regards to how to take care of yourself in terms of body and skincare, or even how to do makeup for yourself, come and learn from me. I'll let you know more about what I do on a personal basis, because we have a lot of things that we customize for customers, and we also do like image training and also style coaching and also styling talks and also makeup talks, and also we also do like professional makeup studio talk and also makeup makeovers for corporate clients who are into like photo shoots for their corporate brochures. We also do that too. Yeah, so let me show you about what I'm sorry, I'm a bit like verbal diarrhea, you know. So I like to do makeup while talking. Okay, so I like to put a little bit at the bottom too. Okay. So if you have dry eyes, right, just do patting motion. Okay. If not, then just apply like what I do, like this. So you can see actually I have a bit of double eyelid, but it's not very obvious. I always envy those who have big deep set eyes, which I don't have. But you know, like what the ancient book always say, right, that we always must love ourselves. There, done. Okay, so you just make sure that it's rounded so that your eyes look bigger. Okay. Alright, so next, right, I like to put a bit of glittery stuff. So I like to use brush like this to do glittery on my eyes. So if you want to do glittery stuff, just do at the front part of your eye area. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah. Actually, while doing eye makeup, right, I face a lot of women having a lot of dry eyes. So they actually ask me like, what's the solution? I advise you that you come for my eye spa class. I'll teach you how to reduce the eye circles and puffiness. Yeah, you can see that my eyes is quite okay. Yeah, so teach you how to reduce the icicles and puffiness, and also teach you how to do eye spa. I felt that women, we wear a lot of hats, right? We tend to neglect ourselves. So I hope that you could take some time and be pampered by me, and then I could be here for you and to take care of your skin. Okay, next, right, I like to do a bit of definition at the end here. So I like to use a very dark color tone. Okay, so just do here. If you want to know like what sort of colors is suitable for you, you can come for our SkillsFuture class. We actually have this personality makeover workshop that we teach you how to find your colors, and it's quite accurate. Yeah. So I like to put it at the edges here. Okay, I'm done. Can you see the difference? Yeah, it's much more lively right now. And oh, I forgot to bring my highlighter. Okay, never mind. I will just draw eyeliner first. So I like to use the pencil one first. Okay, today I'm using all the products, right? It's all birthday presents. Because my friends know that I'm crazy about makeup, so they give me all my birthday present stuff. So if you like to highlight the bottom like me, please use a smudger brush like this. Smudge it. Done. And then I like to make sure that I put on a little bit of the tail here. So I focus a lot on makeup techniques. So if you're truly interested to take care of yourself, skincare techniques as well, and how to take care of your eyes, pigmentation and stuff, you can come for my class. I'll teach you how to take care of your skin. Okay. So I always face this part whereby my eye, this part is much more curvier than this part. This part is a bit droopy, you can see, you know. So I always have problem drawing this part, this area here, you know. But as you go practice a few times, right, you get used to it already. So a lot of times, right, it's all about practice. Okay, and in the class I also teach you how to do contouring. I actually done the contouring and highlighting myself already. Yeah. Just make sure that you extend longer so that your eyes are quite balanced. Okay, I am going to draw a little bit more on my eye area. When it comes to eyeliner, you need a good mirror. Okay, so just to make sure it's equal. Yeah, it is equal. Right, just fill in the color a little bit more. So I always, I can't live without having a wing on the end of my eye makeup. Okay, I'm done. Alright, okay, cool. Alright, so next, right, normally I don't put blusher, I put lipstick because my lipstick is quite prominent in color. I actually just did my lip spa, can you see? Quite pinkish, yeah? So I love my lip spa. So if you're interested to try our products for Mary Kay products, right, we actually teach you how to make your lips much more younger looking. Yeah, because as we age, right, our lip color would change, and then you will have a lot of lines after that. So you can see, I think I'm quite okay. I don't need to go for filler. So many of my friends are into aesthetics these days. So to me, it's quite painful. But if your threshold is quite low for pain, I think you can go for it if you want to. But it's only temporary, you know. Nothing is permanent. So at the end of the day, I still encourage them to take care of the skin after they do their aesthetic stuff. So I like to use lip liner to line the lips so that to prevent the lipstick from bleeding. And I like to use lip color it's very prominent. Because I can't use normal lipstick. Alright, great. So this is my normal, normally I'll put blush, highlighter, later I'll put blush, highlighter, sorry. So this is my common look that I always use for a daily basis. So if you want to know more about your own color, what sort of color is suitable for you, and then how to take care of your skin, whether you're in the 30s, in the 40s or 50s. So I'm going to teach you that. So if you have any comments or you want to know more about how to take care of your skin, you can drop your comments below at my Facebook account or YouTube account, and then so that I could help you to solve your problem. And then I hope that I could be of help to you, because I did some research and I find that there are a lot of women, especially Asian women, we face a lot of problems, but we don't know who to ask for help. So most likely we always ask our friends, right? But I hope I could be one of your friends too. So drop any comments that you have about this video, and then also anything that you want to learn, and I hope to be of help to you. Thank you so much. Bye!